Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey guys, generation 2009 to 2019, and we'll show you guys how to remove and how to replace inner tail light. Now, let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the whole assembly, not just the tail light bulbs. I'm talking about inner tail light. Okay, this one here. Even if yours is before the facelift, the video will be the same. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. We'll need to do some disassembly in order to get to it. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Journey. So please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money guys. This is our mission here at the shop, to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos. So let's start on it now. So what we need to do now, okay, we need to go ahead, open the trunk. Okay, and we're going to show you how to go ahead and remove the tail light. Okay, so this is the inner tail light guys, right here. Okay, we have two screws that we need to remove. Okay, this one is a 7mm socket. Go ahead, remove one, two. Great. Now we need to get a small plastic prying removal too. We need to hold your headlight, okay, and gently pull out. You have to be very careful how you pull it out, not to break the lens. Okay, now we need to go ahead and disconnect the wires. Okay, so right here you press in, pull out, then we have one more that we need to remove. Okay, just like that. So this is the inner tail light assembly guys, the whole thing out of there. If you're wondering about the bulbs, we have a video that explains everything, check it out. How to replace them. You can find our replacement bulbs usually in the description of the video that we make for specific bulbs. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.